When I told people I was doing this trip, almost everybody thought I was a little crazy. This cross-country road trip of 7,000 miles and 7 days of driving is to see my friends graduate college and also is an homage to when I first made the trip to start my education. Las Vegas, Nevada to Amherst, Massachusetts. In this trip, I'll take my 2021 modded WRX on a journey through the Great American West, vast Midwest plains, and lush Appalachia to experience that taste of freedom I so often long for. My name is Karthik, and welcome to Cars Freeway.
Welcome to welcome to day number 4 of the trip. I have a special guest.
Hello,
Would you like to introduce yourself?
She just came over. I was with me and my girlfriend. Tom was here. Unfortunately, Ron is in Asia, but the trio was reunited. Yep.
So this is my buddy Sven. Known him since what, 2019, eh?
Yeah, I think so.
Damn, 6 years? That's crazy.
Yeah. I think you were still in high school when we first started playing.
Yeah. I was still in high school, and then I went to college, graduated college, and now I'm going back to college to see my other friends graduate. So that's a spiel.
Yeah.
But I appreciated your hospitality.
Anytime.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
And now, here comes the fun part. We're going to see an honest reaction to me starting my loud car with Sven.
Okay.
Cold start.
Yeah.
Oh. That did sound a little weird, actually, but usually a little smoother than that.
That's clean, though. Damn. That thing's got muscle to it.
Yeah.
Man. Very, very nice.
Alright, we're going to say our goodbyes now, and then I'll start heading up to Massachusetts. We're about to get started. I will see you guys probably on the highway, so let's get to it. Today is a short day. Today is not a 16-hour day. Today is not an 11-hour day. Today is not a 12-hour day. I'm just driving. It is a 5-hour day, which is like a freaking miracle. Or that's like a red herring or something. I don't even know what the right metaphor is, but it's something where I'm like, wow, I can't believe it's only 4 hours. I just started from the suburbs of Philadelphia. I'm on highway.
Oh, nice.
I'm like on highway. I think this is like 276 or something. I'm near Philadelphia, New Jersey border, basically.
Oh, got you. But I mean, you're coming here, so we can talk more about it.
Yeah. Are you? Well, so I'll probably be there at, I don't know, 5 or 6 or something, and I'll probably make some few rounds. And then we'll see if I'm free to talk to you or something.
Okay, yeah, for sure.
Now you can see me just cruising along. But when I get to New Jersey, oh my goodness, dude. It is so rainy. Just wait. are currently in a New Jersey rest stop off of, am I on 95? I think I am not yet. I'm on like 287 or something. And it has been a very rainy state, but it's something I'm not minding. No, I never get rain. It's very fun driving in it. The Continental Extreme Context 402s are insanely good in the rain. Shout out Continental. I heard many things about these tires, so I was like, you know what? I'll try it out. And they are performing like a champ. Route 86. gift of a short journey today, I was able to regain a lot of peace at Harriman State Park. Editing this, I recall that moist air and that fig bar I chomped, along with the good vibes of Lake Kanawaki. I think I said that correctly. After turning onto Interstate 84 headed towards Connecticut, this feels like the beginning of the end. In the past 4 days, I've traversed mountains, deserts, flatlands, cornlands, rugged Appalachia, and sweeping forests. What an adventure it has been as we come to the final few hours of the drive. I hope you enjoy.
Welcome to Connecticut. State number 11, I think. One more to go. Just one more. One last one. And then I'll have like 30 minutes left, I think. Or maybe 45, but... Oh! Slow down. Slow down. Yeah, there's some red here. Right as we get into Connecticut, but I'll just get past this and see you later. So as I'm sitting in traffic now, I was realizing that as I was driving through Connecticut, I was just trying to reach my destination, going as fast as comfortably possible. And it made me realize that every day I've been trying desperately hard to get to my destination. So day one, Nebraska, we know how that went. That was pretty painful. I was just trying to drive through the night to get to my ambitiously planned hotel. Day two, I get to Wisconsin, thankfully, and not such a late time. But I was still, rushing a bit, just trying to get to my destination, trying to see the friends that I could for the short time I did have them, which is, only a few hours, and then everybody went to bed. And now, yesterday, going to Pennsylvania, going to Philadelphia, I was rushing, trying to get there as fast as possible. Only got there at 11:30. Couldn't spend as much time as I wanted to with one guy. Other guy I was able to. So one for two, I guess. But I was just trying to get to my destination. As opposed to what? Well, as opposed to just driving and enjoying the moment. That's how I guess this idea started. And it took me getting stuck in traffic because of an accident to cross into the Massachusetts border to realize it. But I need to finish off this trip in the way that it started. And that's just with a drive. So just gonna put away the camera, gonna shut off the setup, and I'm just going to enjoy the drive. I'm gonna enjoy the sound of my car. I'm gonna enjoy maybe some, I guess this goes with sound of the car, but some downshift pops. And I'm just gonna enjoy the views. It feels tough to enjoy a view when you feel like you have to record it every time. I've definitely had my many moments of enjoying the views though. But this view may not be as beautiful as it is sentimental. And for that, I may just want to put it away and just think about everything I've done over the past few days, from starting in Las Vegas with high hopes to now with low hopes. Low hopes in traffic, I guess. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to finish this trip with just a leisurely sunset cruise. The sun is going down, but let's finish off with the leisurely sunset cruise into my college town and ride into the night. I'll see you guys in UMass Amherst.